Right, today we've got a couple of wheels. This one, the one over there. We've got some bits and bobs like a stand, handlebars and stuff in the oven gassing off. We've got a rear subframe and we've got the bike frame outside as well. It's just drying off. I've given them all a good wash. This one's already been baked in the oven just to gas it off. Got another couple of bits in there doing the same. The subframe's going satin, as is the bike frame. The wheels, stands, handlebars all going gloss. So I've got my gloss ready here, going to put it in. While I'm getting this ready, I'm just going to flick over and I'll give you a bit of background on how we sandblast our parts. So I'll show you my mate's setup and we'll flick to that now. Right, so just a bit of background on how we sandblast our parts. Just done this box here now. Brake calipers, bits and bobs. So this is my mate's setup. He's made himself a nice little tent. Contains most of the stuff. This is the blast pot he's made. So he pressurizes the sand. That comes out the bottom, through the tube, and into this one. This lever controls the amount of sand that you can have coming out the end of the nozzle. This one here connects to his air compressor, which is just outside. So, just to get the size of the thing, it's huge. It's like a trailer. That gives out like 170 odd CFM, so more than enough air to actually do the job. And I've been using it today, and it absolutely fucks the paint off. So, nice little setup. Oh. Just a little add-on. This is the air-fed mask he's bought. Got it running off the back end of a Hoover, so we get the nice cold air coming out the back end. I've been using this. Works an absolute treat. There's no dust gets in there whatsoever. So just to show you the inside. So you can't really see it, but you've got an airflow. Once the airflow kicks in, you get a little tab that goes up to say that you're all safe and good. This has got that on a quick release. Just a plastic PVC plumbing pipe. Clip that on. And like I say, it's a good little setup. Right, got the bits out of the oven. These are all ready to be powder coated now. So what I'll do, get them in a coat of gloss. You can still see the smoke coming off these. I'm going to let them cool a little bit. I'll get them in gloss. We'll bung them in the oven for 20 minutes and we'll see what they come out like. I've got one more wheel to do in gloss and then we'll switch over to satin. Right, so these have had a coat of black. So they've got good coverage. Can't see any spots on the wheel and mist. So we'll get these in the oven and we'll see what they come out like. Right, these have just come out the oven. They've come up nice, as you see. Good finish on them. Got the little kickstand and handlebars. We've got another wheel to do and then we'll move on to the frame. Right, this is the last wheel. The only thing I'm doing different in this is I give it a little bit of a wire brush. I noticed on the last one, in the little recesses, there was a little bit of, not so much reaction, but a bit of pitting, maybe from where it was just that rough from the sandblasting. So all I've done is give it a nice good key with the wire brush and then a little bit of sandpaper in there. Hopefully I won't get anything. I mean, this one isn't too bad, don't get me wrong, but it's just in there. I can see a little bit and I'm not happy with it. So we'll put this one in powder, get it in the oven and see how it turns out like. Right, so this is the last one. So the front wheel just come out the oven now and say I give that a going over with the wire wheel or wire brush, and it seems to come up better. There doesn't seem to be any imperfections in there. So I've got the frame in there, just having a preheat. This one's going to be a pain in the ass because it just fits in the oven and no more. So getting that in once it's powdered without touching any of the oven sides is going to be a nightmare. So we'll come back once we got the subframe in powder. Right, that's the subframe. was in there for about 20 minutes. This one's satin black, looks a bit shiny, but you can see it's got a matte finish to it. All the areas seem to have covered really well. Doesn't seem to be any imperfections in it. So I've just chucked the frame in. That was a right nightmare. So once that's up to temperature, we'll get it out, we'll put that into satin, and then I can go to bed. Right, this has just come out of the oven. It was in there a lot longer, mainly because of its size and its alley. It just takes, you know, it's like a heat sink basically. So it absorbs all the heat, so it took a really long time to get up to temperature. Once it did, the time 25 minutes, it's probably in there not far off an hour if I'm honest, by the time I got up to temperature. But you can see, it's come up really lovely. No imperfections that I can see. You should be happy with that. So today we've managed to get quite a bit done. It's the frame, the subframe, handlebars, the two wheels, and the kickstand up there. So the next one, it'll just be the last bits of the bike, which is what you see there. Right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.